Sure.
हाँ सुनील हाँ माथुर
1 second.
हाँ what is this? This is Spider ST1, the first video being made on this. This is newly launched by Sena. How much it was per set?
$199.
$199 from US. It was
And-
imported.
and
Not
it-
imported. Somebody went there and bought it. Now we are just taking it out. Just take it out.
And it's mesh
Open
technology.
the- हाँ, with the mesh technology. Yes, this is the one. Just open it up.
Now we are unboxing it.
हाँ.
There you go.
Yeah,
The lovely
comes in this
package.
format. Okay, just take out the. This is how it looks.
And you can see
It's a
this.
very small thing. Then there are other accessories also. Can you take out the accessories?
Yeah, sure. This looks like an iPhone
Just
packaging.
take out the accessories. Spread them here.
So let's see what's there in this box. I'm gonna spread.
There is a
There you go.
These are charging. These are stickers. These are the those headphones. This is the clip.
Yeah.
These
There
are
is a
microphones.
sponge.
Microphone sponge.
These are the sponges which are supposed to be fixed. Another clamp. Another. I don't know why there are two of them. Okay, you can use it on two.
And
And these are
mouthpiece.
the mouthpiece and another microphone.
And a booklet.
This is the booklet. So let us start the fixing of it on the
Helmet.
How is the pause? Where is
So now
we already fixed one Sena here and one Sena here. Today we have got three, so third helmet is being fixed here because we are a group of three
thinking
people.
you don't have a slot here.
So there
for
are certain
your helmet.
And a
those
AGB.
things will be put.
So we
After
just put
removing
it on
the
top
inside
only.
bit. This is
There's no
how
slot, is
actually the Sena looks like. It is searching for the nearby device.
Phones slot.
Here is the phone. We are going to pair
This
with
is
it.
where there is a gap here.
So this fixing is the same for all the Sena, also
So we
all
need to
this.
put a sticker there.
Good afternoon, guys. This is our third part of the video where we had installed Sena Spider ST1 on our three helmets. We are a group rider. One is here, another one here, another one here. You can see the green light blinking because they are all on mesh technology now. All three are talking to each other. I would say that this has made a huge difference in our riding group because all three of us are talking to each other all through the ride. Number one, we are not getting bored. Number two, the person who is a leader always tell us what is a hazard in advance, and then we take corrective measures in that. And I think this is a game changer. All the group riders should have this, and up to a kilometer we are able to talk to each other. And may I have the experience of Sunit? Sunit, how's your experience from the last ride to
Hi
this
guys,
ride?
this has been awesome. This is the first time we used a mesh on communicating with each other. The best thing is it connects instantly, okay, and it is very clear. The headphones are very clear audio. The mic is very clear, and we are able to continuously communicate with each other in real time. And whenever you have a phone call in between, it just connects automatically. You just have to say hello and it connects, and you go out of the mesh, you do your conversation, and at the end of the call you're back into the mesh and you're able to talk to each other.
No need to press any button.
No need to press anything. Naveen, as Naveen said, you can the first rider can warn of all the obstacles and everything coming up, hazards on the way. You're always able to communicate with the rear guy if he wants you to slow down, and if there's any turn coming up and anybody wants to refuel or any kind of a communication, you're always in touch. You can joke around, you can show things to each other and talk about it. It's like normal conversation, and you never get bored on the highway, and it was fantastic.
We have been riding for 2 hours and we didn't know when the time passed. We were just talking. And Mathur, what's your viewpoint on
Hi,
this?
Mathur here. Pretty much it's covered by my friends, but I need to say something. We used to, for many years, we used to ride together without any communication devices. Even a small trip of 50-60 kilometers, we used to get lost, no communication, and even phones sometimes used to be in the pocket and there's no way we could contact. Now, with I won't
Sena
name
Spider.
Sena. I thought
Spider ST1. No, we should say Sena Spider ST1.
Okay, Sena
It is,
Spider.
we are not
Since
promoting
we're not
Sena
selling,
Spider.
that's the reason.
This is now they
Sena
have come up
Spider
with a
1.
new one. ST1.
ST1.
Newly launched. It's about $199 in US.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, this is going
Guys, out of these 4 helmets, one has got Sena, but it is an older version. He has to improve it. He has to load the firmware of 3.2.1 version, which he has not done it. So he's unable to communicate with all three of us. 1, 2, and 3. They are Sena ST1, latest one. This is old one. He will go back and then he will load the firmware, the latest one. So all three of us are talking. He's unable to talk. So what is he missing out? He will tell you
Yeah,
now.
I missed out all the fun conversation
Jokes.
across other friends riding with me, and I think I will update the firmware, and then probably again the next ride I'll have the pleasure of talking to all of you.
Okay, thank you, Sarfraz.